This scalping strategy created by Trade Genius makes quick profits in real time. I'll be backtesting this 100 times using GU on the 5-minute time frame to see if we can make some quick profits too. Okay, so load up TradingView, and for this strategy we're going to need 2 indicators. So let's go to the indicators tab, and for the first indicator we're going to need the Easy Trade Chandelier EMA by Easy Trade TV. Now we need to make some adjustments to this in the settings, and in the input section we're going to change the ATR multiplier from 3 to 5. Then we're going to go to style and uncheck all the boxes that I'm unchecking now, and also make the opacity more visible. Okay, so in this strategy, we're going to be using this to find a trade direction as well as finding entry signals. Now, when we're in a bullish structural market, the line will be colored in green as well as price trading above the moving averages. And when we're in a sell structural market, it'll be colored in red as well as price trading below the moving averages. Now, for our entry signals, you'll see these sell labels when looking for a sell, and it's going to print these green labels when looking for a buy. So now it's going to get the confirmation indicator, and for the second indicator, we're going to need the regular moving average conversion divergence. Now we need to make some adjustments in the settings to this also. So in style, we're going to uncheck the MACD as well as the signal line, and we're going to make the 0 line more visible by changing the color to yellow and also changing it from dashed to line. Now let's go to inputs, change the fast length to 45 and change the slow length to 90. Then we're also going to change the signal line MA type from EMA to SMA and the time frame chart to 15 minutes. Okay, so in this strategy, there's going to be our entry confirmation. It's going to be printing red to confirm the sell signal, and it's also going to be printing green to confirm the buy signal. So now let's go over the entry criteria. Okay, so this is your entry criteria when looking for long setups. First, we need to make sure the line's colored green as well as being above the green line. Secondly, we're going to wait for a new entry signal to go long, which is going to be indicated by having a green buy signal. Now, once both confirmations have been met, we're going to confirm this trade by checking the MACD, and the MACD must be printing a green bar on the same candle that printed the buy signal. So as you can see here, sometimes it has a green, then no candle, green, no candle, or the candle's really small. So for the trade to be valid, the bar must be on the entry candle. And we're going to take the instant execution, stop loss below the most recent swing low, and we're going to be targeting a 1.5 risk to reward. Okay, so also for your trade management, we're going to let the trade run to either take profit or stop loss. Let's go and take a look at another long example. Okay, so as we can see, the moving averages are colored in green as well as price action trading above the moving average, signifying to us we're in a buy structural market. And secondly, we waited for our buy signal to appear. As we can see here, it's printed directly below the candle. So now we need to verify this trade by making sure the MACD has also printed a green candle. So as we can see here, the MACD is printed a little green candle on the exact candle that the buy signal was printed, so we can take this trade with the stop loss below the most recent swing low, and we will be targeting a 1.5 risk to reward. Okay, so it's definitely simple. Now I'm going to go break down the sell criteria. Okay, so this is your entry criteria. We're looking for sell setups. First, we need to make sure that the EMA of the chandelier exits are colored in red, as well as price action trading below this. Then we're going to wait for our entry signal, which is signified by having a new sell red signal printed directly above the candle. Now, to verify this is a valid signal, we need to make sure that the MACD is also printing a red candle directly on the candle that gave us the entry signal. Now these confirmations have been met, we're going to take the instant execution with the stop loss above the most recent swing high, and we will be targeting a 1.5 risk to reward. Okay, so we won in this scenario. Now let's go and take a look at another sell example. Okay, so as we can see, the EMAs of the chandelier exit are colored in red, and price action is also below the EMAs, signifying we're in a sell structural market. And secondly, we waited for our entry signal, which is a new sell red label directly above the candle. Now we need to make sure that this is a valid entry confirmation by checking the MACD has also printed a red bar candle. So if we line this up, we can see that the bar was printed directly on the sell label candle. So we can take the instant execution, stop loss above the most recent swing high, and we will be targeting a 1.5 risk to reward. Okay, so we finally hit the take profit. Now I'm going to go and back test this 100 times and come back to you with the results. Okay, so in 7 months, I took 100 trades, 44 won and 56 lost, which resulted in a win rate of 44%. Now we had a max drawdown of 4R, a max gain of 4.5R, which checks out, but the win rate was kind of low, especially going for a 1.5 risk to reward, but the net profit in them 7 months was 10%. Now I'm not too sure about the quick profit that was stated, but I recommend you guys to go and test it for yourself, because if you do have a big account and you like the simplicity of the strategy, then 10% will still make you a lot of money. But go and play around with the return. Maybe you can make more if you have a higher return, or also implement making it break even. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Until next time.